In this video, we're going to be checking out this Samsung Smart TV replacement remote control. So I literally just took this out of the box. You pop the back open. It uses 2 batteries, which we got installed there. This should be a quick connect remote. So what we're going to do is we're going to aim this at the TV, and you hold down the back and then the play pause button at the same time while aiming at the TV, and this should connect it automatically for us. So that was it. Literally just aimed at the TV, and when I pushed that button, it said not available because it was already connected. So just to show you on this device, on this remote, you do have your power button up here at the top. This is the newer model. It's the slim one. The old one in the past used to be kind of curved. Now they're going to this more slim model, but it's still just as effective. So you've got the settings, 1, 2, 3 buttons up here. You've got the 4 colored dots up here. You have your keyboard here, or your pad, where you're able to go forward, back, up, down, and then it has a button there in the middle. You've got your back button, your home button, and your play pause button. And then you've got your volume up and down and your channel up and down. Also, another feature on this is that if you didn't know, with the volume up and down, you can turn it up and down, but you can also push down, just like push it in instead of up or down, and it will mute. So you can hear sound. Now I've got it muted. So the other thing that this has that's really cool is that it does have your quick connect buttons here at the bottom. So it's got a Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, Prime Video, and Disney. So let me just turn the TV off here. You can see I already had it set on the Samsung TV Plus, just because that's the easy way. When you turn this on, that's usually the default that it goes to. So we've got it turned on here. As you can see, Samsung TV Plus up here at the top. And then, so we've got that on. I'm going to mute it so it's not playing music or anything in the background. But you can just see, you click the Netflix button. And when you do, it says Netflix loading. So you're able to log right into Netflix. And it also brought up the menu at the bottom, so if you wanted to switch to other programs from here, you could do that as well. But I went ahead and selected the Netflix just from this button right here, and as you can see, it's bringing it up. And so to avoid any personal information, I'm going to hit the back button, get out of there, and then we'll select the Disney Plus button. And once that's fully loaded, you can push the Disney Plus button, and it'll open up Disney Plus. Now we're going to press the Prime Video button, and as you can see, Prime Video opened right up, and so now we're able to go into our Prime account and watch movies, listen to shows, listen to songs, whatever you want to do. And then you've got your Samsung TV Plus button here at the top, where you just go back to that. It'll take you back to the home, and then again from there, like I said, you've got all your apps on here that you can navigate through. But just to show you real quick on the Samsung Live TV, we'll go to that real quick. So back to the Samsung TV Plus, just to show you here. So we're on Fox Weather right now, but you can push the up button and it goes to AccuWeather Weekend. Push the up button again and it's going to take you to the next channel, Top Weather. So really easy to use. Like I said, straight out of the box. I put batteries in it, I walked over here, and I didn't even need to connect it. I just aimed it at the TV and it started working. So looking for something that's an easy, quick replacement, highly recommend checking this one out.